people, I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab.
Our today's subject for this sitting is centered around Pakistan's newly formulated National Security Policy 2022. As per the literature available in Policy's unclassified version, it can be perceived that Pakistan's foreign policy makers have risen up to the changing dynamics in security realm, the significance of following foreign policy objectives by non-violent means, and necessity for having a welfare state instead of a garrison state, as has been the case in Pakistan's checkered history. Meaning that this document reflects Pakistan will henceforth subordinate its geostrategic aims to strengthening its economy, reorient its foreign policy along geoeconomic lines to serve national interest and to ensure and promote national well-being. Further, it aims to project the country as economic clout instead of military prowess. So in today's subject, our discussion, we will be talking about such areas as the concept of security in 21st century. What exactly is meant by geoeconomics? Followed by that, we will bring into discussion the hallmarks of newly promulgated or formulated policy in the form of national security document. Further, we will be focusing on how the government will be implementing the policy measures or policy objectives as enlightened or as mentioned in the document. Moreover, we will discuss also on the red areas or grey areas that are likely to arrest the country's potential from turning the document into a tangible reality. Followed by roadblocks or challenges, we will provide certain policy measures as to how the government can well be in a position to ensure the effective implementation of this policy.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.